Welcome to 20 Car. When Lamborghini reimagines its iconic Huracan, the result is a fusion of breathtaking design, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched performance. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracán Concept is not just an evolution, it's a revolution that pushes the boundaries of what a supercar can be. With a bold vision for the future, this concept blends innovation with the timeless essence of Lamborghini. Exterior, a visionary masterpiece. The Huracán Concept introduces a design language inspired by aerospace engineering. The tri-edge front splitter channels airflow with surgical precision, reducing drag while enhancing stability. Lamborghini's signature Y-shaped LED headlights are now reimagined as floating elements embedded within sculpted air intakes, creating a dramatic and futuristic face. The sides boast scissor-inspired doors, a departure from the traditional Huracan, emphasizing the car's concept status. The rear features active vortex spoilers and 3D printed exhaust outlets, which are seamlessly integrated into a sculpted diffuser. The Lunar Flame paint, an iridescent shade that shifts from metallic orange to deep crimson, further enhances the car's striking presence. Interior, the future of luxury and control. Inside the Huracán Concept, Lamborghini blends advanced technology with artisanal craftsmanship. The Symmetry dashboard wraps around the driver and passenger, creating an immersive cockpit experience. At its center lies the Holosphere display, a holographic interface that projects performance metrics, navigation, and entertainment options in 3D. The seats are crafted from graphene-infused leather, offering unparalleled support and durability while remaining lightweight. The steering wheel integrates touch-sensitive panels that allow for seamless control of driving modes and infotainment features. Lamborghini's signature hexagonal motif is present in everything from air vents to stitching, reinforcing the brand's unique design DNA. Performance, a new era of power. At the heart of the Huracán Concept lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V10 hybrid engine, paired with a lightweight electric motor. Together, they deliver an awe-inspiring 1,100 horsepower, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.3 seconds and reaching a top speed of 215 miles per hour. This powertrain features advanced energy recovery systems that recharge the hybrid battery during braking and cornering. Lamborghini's proprietary dynamic chassis evolution (DCE) system ensures exceptional handling, adapting the car's suspension and aerodynamics in real time to suit the driver's needs. Technology, intelligent performance enhancements. Lamborghini has equipped the Huracán Concept with cutting-edge features that redefine the supercar experience. Race guidance, augmented reality overlays racing lines and braking points on the windshield. AI-powered drive modes, intelligent systems analyze road conditions and driving styles to optimize performance automatically. Integrated biometric feedback, sensors embedded in the seats monitor driver stress levels, adjusting settings to maintain focus and comfort. EcoBoost launch control, combines electric and combustion power for a zero-emission start with instant torque. Sustainability, supercar, smarter. The 2025 Huracán Concept reflects Lamborghini's commitment to sustainability without compromising its performance. The chassis incorporates recycled titanium alloy, reducing weight and emissions during production. The interior materials include vegan microfibers and sustainable carbon composites, while the car runs on e-fuels to minimize its environmental footprint.